Have you ever noticed someone across a crowded room and felt an instant connection? It's a moment that can be both exhilarating and mystifying. That, my friend, is the magic of attraction. It's an invisible force that draws us to certain individuals, often without us even realizing why. We humans are social creatures, hardwired to seek out connection and companionship. It's in our nature to want to bond with others, to share our lives and experiences. Flirting, at its core, is the art of expressing interest and sparking that initial connection. It's a way to communicate without words, to show someone that they have caught your eye. It's about sending subtle signals that let someone know you find them intriguing, captivating, and worth getting to know better. These signals can be as simple as a smile, a glance, or a light touch. Now, I understand that the word flirting can sometimes evoke feelings of nervousness or awkwardness. It's natural to feel a bit anxious when putting yourself out there, but I assure you, it doesn't have to be a high-pressure, heart-pounding experience. Flirting can be a fun and exciting way to connect with others. Think of it more as a playful dance, a way to inject a little fun and excitement into your interactions. It's about enjoying the moment and seeing where it leads. The key to successful flirting lies in subtlety and sincerity. It's not about being overly bold or aggressive, but about being genuine and respectful. It's about creating a comfortable and engaging dynamic that allows both parties to feel seen, heard, and appreciated. When both people feel at ease, the connection can grow naturally. In the following sections, we'll explore some practical psychological tips to help you master the art of flirting and ignite those sparks of attraction. These tips will help you navigate the nuances of human interaction with confidence. Remember, the goal is not to become a master manipulator, but to enhance your natural charm and charisma. Authenticity is key in making a lasting impression, so let's dive in and uncover the secrets to making a memorable first impression and building genuine connections. With the right approach, you can turn a simple interaction into a meaningful relationship.
You know how they say the eyes are the windows to the soul? I totally agree. The way someone's eyes light up when they see you, or that little spark of interest, can say so much more than words ever could. When it comes to flirting, eye contact is everything. A lingering look, a cheeky wink, or a knowing smile can communicate so much without saying a word. It's like a secret language that builds a connection before you even start talking. But once you've got their attention, it's time to let your words shine. Words can really deepen that initial spark. Starting a conversation is like opening a door to endless possibilities. It's the first step to finding out what you both have in common. Kick things off by finding some common ground, maybe a shared interest, a funny comment, or even a simple compliment. Compliments can break the ice and make the other person feel good. People love talking about themselves, so ask open-ended questions that get them to share their thoughts, experiences, and passions. This keeps the conversation going and shows you're genuinely interested. Listen closely, not just to their words, but also to their tone and body language. These little cues can give you a better understanding of how they feel. Show real interest in what they're saying, and don't be shy about sharing your own stories and perspectives. This back and forth can create a bond that's more than just small talk. Remember, a conversation is a two-way street. It's about giving and receiving, sharing and listening. It's about finding a comfortable flow, a balance between talking and listening. This balance makes sure both of you feel heard and valued. Be present, be engaged, and let your natural curiosity lead the way. This genuine interest can turn a simple chat into a meaningful connection.
Have you ever noticed how couples often seem to move in sync with each other? It's almost as if they share an invisible thread that keeps them connected. They finish each other's sentences, laugh at the same time, and even seem to share a similar energy. This isn't just a coincidence, it's a sign of a deep subconscious bond. This phenomenon is known as mirroring and matching. It's a fascinating aspect of human interaction. It's a subconscious way of building rapport and creating a sense of connection. When we feel connected, we naturally start to mirror each other. When we mirror someone's body language, tone of voice, or even their breathing patterns, we're sending a subtle signal that we're on the same wavelength. This can be incredibly powerful in building trust. Now, I'm not suggesting you become a mime and copy their every move. That would be over the top and unnatural. That would just be creepy. Instead, aim for subtlety. Instead, try subtly reflecting their energy and demeanor. A slight adjustment can make a big difference. If they're leaning in while they're talking, lean in too. This shows you're engaged and interested. If they're speaking softly, lower your voice slightly. Matching their tone can make the conversation feel more intimate. These subtle cues can create a sense of familiarity and comfort. It's like speaking the same unspoken language. Remember, the key is to be subtle and natural. Overdoing it can have the opposite effect. Forced mirroring can come across as insincere or even mocking. It's important to be genuine. The goal is to create a harmonious connection, a sense of shared understanding that transcends words. When done right, it can be a powerful tool in building relationships.
Who doesn't love a genuine compliment? A well-placed compliment is a powerful tool for building attraction and making someone feel good about themselves. But the key word here is genuine. Avoid generic or insincere compliments that could apply to anyone. Instead, focus on specific qualities or traits that you genuinely admire. It could be their sense of humor, their taste in music, their infectious laugh, or even their unique perspective on a particular topic. When delivering a compliment, make eye contact, smile warmly, and let your words flow naturally. Don't be afraid to be a little playful or even slightly suggestive, as long as it's appropriate for the situation and your comfort level.